he had a bucket list to go to West Point. He said that he had several commanding officers while he was in the Army that were West Point grads, and he always loved and respected them, that they were top notch, and he always wanted to have the opportunity to go to West Point. So today I have the amazing opportunity to be able to escort him. Thanks a million to Movement Mortgage for making this happen. So we're going to be flying up today. We'll be there for 2 days, touring around, meeting with the Modern Warfare Institute, meeting with the Association of Graduates, and meeting with a select group of North Carolina cadets. Current only survivor of his company, and he's 96 years young today.